Welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today I'm gonna be removing that branch, so you guys can see penetrates, broke the shingles, plywood, and also the siding. You guys take a quick look here. See that? In the middle of the screen, that is the link. I remove some trims, some pieces of siding. So what I'm gonna do today is removing that branch, cover the hole, just to prevent water getting inside the home, because I think weather calls that it will be raining tonight. So by removing the branch, cover the hole, should be fine for a few days. I'm gonna be using synthetic underlayment, which is water resistant. I'm gonna be placing that. It's like a tarp material, but I hope everything should be fine. After the snow and the rain, I'm gonna be removing the shingles, ridge cap, underlayment, plywood, and replace it like this previous video, right? Hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned. See you in a minute. All right, I am already on the roof. As you guys can see in the middle of the screen, that area, it seems like this branch, it has two parts. I'm gonna be checking the back side of the home, and then I'm gonna be checking that area. But this is the main issue, as you guys can see. Okay, it went all the way inside, and it broke everything. Wow, it's big. So I'm gonna be cutting now these branches by pieces, a small section, so in that way it'll be easy to be removed. I got my skill saw there, and then I'm gonna be checking one more time the roof. Stay tuned. So I cut a small section of this branch. I'm gonna show you guys. See down there in the middle of the screen, that was the half of this branch. But this one here, see, so the roof were here, and so from there all the way there, it was inside the home. Now when you guys take a quick look, almost 7 feet of branch that it went inside there. See that in the middle of the screen? That is the wall. So I'm gonna be removing this, cover the hole, and wait after the snow with the rain, because you know, if I remove shingles and the roof, the roof deck, see, the home will be exposed, and that is not good if it's raining or snow. There's still a lot of snow around here in this area, so I'm gonna cover this. Should be fine, because I'm gonna be covered with kind of tarp material underlayment, which is water resistant. In that section there is no damage. Only damage is here, as you guys can see inside. See, in the middle of the screen, that is the wall. All right, just stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks now. The hole is there. I cover with 2 layers of material. There is nail there holding this tarp. See, nails. This is a temporary repair, just to cover, you know, preventing water getting inside that hole, since I removed the branch. So now everything should be fine. We want to wait until the rain comes and clear all of this snow, and the first day of not raining, I will be able to remove shingles, underlayment, plywood, and replace it in a proper way. All right, stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today I'm still in the Edmond area. You guys remember last time when there was snow, a branch broke the roof and get out from the siding, outside wall. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna be removing the ridge cap, shingles, underlayment, and the plywood that was broken. I will be removing that branch. We'll be installing a new plywood and put a new matching shingle. I think the color of this shingle is a Moyer Black by Certainty manufacturer, so I'm gonna do that. So after that, I'm gonna be looking beautiful. I can see it so far. I can see it now. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it look, the damage. I'm gonna measure this. It's about 12 inches because it's broken until this area here, right there by my finger, by, I'm gonna say, 7 inches. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the trusses and the another one. I'm gonna remove that plywood and install a new one. Stay tuned. Alright, this is what I have done so far. So now I remove the piece of plywood, but I want you guys to take a quick look inside. See? So the branch broke this section of the plywood, and as you guys can see, the water that it was entering in that way, you know, this is what we call baffles. Just let me. This is what we call baffle. You guys can see water were running that way, and this is what the branch did, you know. It broke this board, see, and that area. So that board is broken, but it's not affecting the structure of the home or the trusses, you know. So I was lucky that this board was on the way, otherwise, you know, we can create a lot of even more damage. You guys can see that is the exterior wall, which is maybe tomorrow I'm gonna fix that area. But so far, see the water there? Look. See? Water were running all the way down. Pretty much similar like this other repair that I did here in this area. Alright, so I'm gonna close this section of the roof. I'm gonna be installing a new plywood and I'll be out of here. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks now. You know, I think I removed from that section to this, it was about 6 feet. From there to this thing, I was about 11-12 feet. So replace from there all the way up, including the ridge cut. This is how it looks like. See, told you, it looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna work on the exterior wall, which is that one. See, that section. But at least from the roof, it's all done. Now I can rain, snow, you know, and this will be 100% secure. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks now with new cedar shingle all the way down there. So the damage where this section, I removed a piece of plywood, put a new one, patch it, new tar paper, which is the underlayment, and the new cedar shingle. All right, I'm gonna clean this mess, and at the end we're gonna take a look one more time. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is how it looks now. You know, this is the end result. Now it's ready to be painted. This is how it looks. New cedar shingle. Okay, I'm out of here. This is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior, 425-599-4850. See you next time. Bye bye.